And away we go is right. "12 seconds in, 13. Okay. YouTube's looking good. So I use this Firefox extension called Dark Reader from time to time. And I don't know why you can't just set it up so that only certain sites are dark. It's either always on or always off. And if it's on, you have to set filter. It's just really badly implemented. It's a good idea, but it's just really badly implemented and it annoys me. But we're here now. So we're going to be looking at some Snap games. Hey John, hey Wolfsight. I like that YouTube is like, you've got one viewer and two people are commenting. So you can only ask so much from a service like that, I suppose. Disable the preview. Everything's looking good. So how about this background, huh? I thought this looked good. I have 4 folders for backgrounds, one for each season. And I like to switch it up. This one doesn't necessarily remind me of spring, but it's close enough. It was in my spring folder, so that's what I'm going with. Hey Tux, how's it going? How's everybody doing? So let's go ahead and get rolling, huh? So I started the stream out at about 6 my time, so 8 minutes ago-ish. Mean it. What is your personal favorite distro to review for distro devs? You mean which one that I've done so far that I really enjoyed? The one that I'm releasing tomorrow. The one I was planning on releasing it today, but the timing just didn't work out, which means it's been almost 7 days of turnaround time to get another video out, which it really disappoints me. I'm disappointed in myself that it took so long to do that. But the distro that you'll see tomorrow or possibly the next day is my favorite distro for the series. So anyways, so 9 minutes ago now I tried to start the stream and OBS was like, "Oh no, I cannot initialize your GPU." And the reason why that happened is I'm using OBS installed through Flatpak, and I ran an update through App Center. And this isn't the first time I've taken a jab at elementary, and it probably won't be the last time. So, and no, I'm not trying to be mean. It's just what I'm using. It's the distro that's under my fingers, and it's the one that keeps biting me because that's the one I'm using every day. But notice App Center has zero things that need to be installed. That's been a bug, an open bug for a couple months, and as far as I know, the elementary team hasn't even acknowledged it, even though there's like a half dozen bugs issues opened on their GitHub. So when I ran the update just before streaming, so I ran the update. It updated OBS. So OBS, yeah, see, it says there's 0 updates and there's nothing, and now suddenly there's updates, even though I literally just ran it. But that's okay. It did not update the display drivers. So when I ran OBS, that's why it was complaining. So I had to run a manual update to get it going. Just a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. Anyways. Hey Rive, so Ubuntu 20.4 is looking pretty nice. That's cool. I haven't really done much with it. That's not true actually. I installed it on another hard drive and I actually had a lot of problems with it. But it was for development stuff, and not a lot of PPAs have been updated for Focal yet. So I had a lot of issues. I'm glad that it's working good for everybody, but it wasn't working good for me. Kazuto, hey, how's it going? Teal, yeah, you don't have to chat. You can stick around. It's all good. Nobody's required to chat. So now that we're like 6 or 7 minutes in, let's go ahead and start looking at Snapcraft, the Snap Store, snapcraft.io. There's also an annoying indexing bug. Yeah, it's got some resource issues. Elementary does. You've been giving GNOME a try after using KDE and it's pretty good. That's good. So what we're going to do here is we're going to install a bunch of Snap games from the Snap Store, and I set the launcher thing to use categories because this is getting a little, look how many things are here. This is getting out of control. I've got way too much crap installed. But now we can just filter by games, which still isn't great, but it's better than it was. So I filtered by, there we go. I filtered by games earlier, but all right. So let's see. I only looked at this briefly earlier, and I wasn't super impressed with how things are organized. It's just kind of like a mess. If you had, I suppose if I had the Ubuntu Software Center, it'd probably be better, but I don't. So I'm going to be installing these from the command line because Elementary has chosen not to support Snap. So the first one, what do you think we should do? Should we just start here? I mean, there's certain ones we're not going to do, like Scum VM. That's not a game. SDL POP. I don't know if that's a game either. Some of these. Oh, well, this is not what I was expecting. I mean, do we want to try stuff like this? This is a little. This isn't really what I had in mind. I was thinking of stuff like, Oh My Giraffe, which is Alan's game. So I actually have played this, and I thought that it was pretty cool. And this is the kind of stuff that I want to show off in these streams because I don't think you guys realize that games like this exist. Wolfsight, Tux Cart, we'll get there. If it's on the Snap Store, we'll get there. So it should be, there it is. You can't resize it, which is unfortunate, but Tux Party. Eat a fruit to begin. Alan is probably, I don't remember what to do here. Alan's probably asleep. What time would it be in the UK? Probably like 5. Snap is kind of iffy with SE Linux. Well, that's SE Linux's problem then. I can't remember how to go faster. Is it too loud, by the way? It's kind of loud for me. No, it looks okay. Chew the vines. Okay. I thought that's what I was trying to do. Oh, okay. It's 3 o'clock here in Italy. Yeah, so it's like 5, 4, 5, or wait. No, it'd be even earlier. I don't know how time zones work. I wonder what this is written in. Can somebody look up what this game is written in? It always interests me. As a developer, I'm always interested in what games are written in. Hey MS, how's it going? Pizza dude? And they say there's no good native games for Linux. This is pretty damn good. Look, you can see it like going down his neck, and he looks back when... This is like something you'd see on Android, you know? I wonder if Alan wrote this for Ubuntu Touch. Because this feels more like a mobile game than anything else. Who's got cute environment? This is written in love? Really? That's rad. Does it say anywhere here? How'd you find that out? That's really cool. It's on their website. That's rad. Okay, so I think we get the point. This game is cool. Works good. It's also on mobile. This would take off on mobile. Hey Rye. Rye just joined the party. Did you type that or did something post that? I'm just gonna go down the list here. Tales of this? What's this? Oh, what the hell's this? Oh, this looks kind of cool. I hope it's not hard to get into. April, here where you live, everyone is in their home for like a month. Yeah, people have been stuck in their home. I mean, I say stuck loosely. There's still people who aren't taking the whole thing seriously, but it's been pretty locked down for probably 2 months now. Is there a GOG Galaxy that's just a wine wrapper? I think so. Diogo? Diogo from Lisbon? Hey, how's Portugal? God, it must be. What time is it over there? Excuse me. Very thirsty. Man, I've been drinking a lot of water and I'm still somehow thirsty. It's like I'm leaking somehow. I don't know where all this water is going, but I'm still thirsty. Why does it do that? If I'm on games and I click away, now it's on games again. I don't know. What did we just install? This game. Greetings from Istanbul. How's Turkey? Is it warm out there? 217, man. You guys are troopers for being online right now. This looks good. Okay. Before you can start dying in many innovative ways, you online play. This is a single player game, but it's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna disable the online features because I don't want it right now. Player profiles, character vault, in-game chat. I mean, that's all cool and everything, but we're not gonna do it right now. This is weird. Looks like they've got a Discord. They've got a Twitter. Anybody know this game? Anybody familiar with it? It's 217 there in Portuguese. Did I just say that? I may have just read that. I can't remember if I said it out loud. Look how big the cursor is. Let's just dive into the game. The screen keeps repainting every time something changes, which is a little weird. One race, one mine, one way. What? Huh. Locked races? Locked campaigns? Permadeath, roguelike. Sure, we can be a human warrior. Oh wow, there's subclasses? This is cool. Bulwark? Sure. And of course you can make your own. This is looking pretty cool. How do I just play though? Am I missing something? I don't want the tutorial though. What do I do? Load pre-made maybe? No? How do I play? What am I missing? One of those games that unlock features as you play? Yeah, it seems that way. You guys have never heard of it? I guess I have to play the tutorial. I've said before have I selected race? I thought I did. Greetings from Greece. Hello. I don't read stuff because I'm not very good at reading. I'm not very good at reading out loud, so I don't do it. Press the arrow keys. Five on the keypad. What the hell? Stay put for it. Oh, it's a turn-based game. That's kind of cool. What did I do? You know what this reminds me a little bit of? You guys ever heard of a game called Exile or Avernium? It's kind of an obscure indie game series by Spiderweb Games or Spiderweb something. Anyways, it kind of reminds me of like a poor man's version of that. Okay. Objects. Now move on to the west. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. Pretty ambitious for a game like this. On the Snap Store. Tutorial talents. Okay. Actually, this tutorial isn't too bad. As far as just like kind of showing off the games. So you can swim. What's that? There's an item here. Oh. How do I pick it up? Oh! Right click? Okay. Now everything is blue. Was that cursed or something? Okay. So this is kind of weird because I'm moving with the keypad, like the 10 key, but you have to use the mouse for some things. It's kind of weird. You can't use WASD, so the controls aren't great, but it's okay. Music's pretty good. Whoa. Well, this looks bad. Look, snakes, if you want me. Oh wait, didn't they say R rests? What the hell did I do? I hit R. There we go. Okay, this isn't too bad. Look at this, I'm kicking ass. Yeah, this is a lot like that game Exile I was talking about. Do not get surrounded. I'm not really. Healing infusion. Eh, this isn't too bad. I could get into this. I haven't played games like this in a long time though. A skeleton mage just fired a spell at me. What an asshole. Oh, I'm almost dead too. What happened to the runes I was picking up? Oh wait. How'd I die? What the hell? Oh my goodness. Is this like Battle of Wesnoth? Kind of, but not really. You were installing elementaryOS on your PC? I haven't even heard of that one. Mina, you said you were a developer. What are your thoughts on Godot? I haven't really done anything. The one time I used it, I didn't like it very much, but I didn't do much with it. Alan is the community manager for Ubuntu. Yeah, and he's got a YouTube channel and he does videos and stuff sometimes. He's pretty good. You should sub to him. Are the controls like that? Yeah. Storm OS. You guys are talking about distros I've never even heard of. I think I've seen them all. I think I've heard of them all, and then you guys bring up new ones. So that game was cool. That was fine. Tales of Maja Ial, I guess. Yeah, that was good. I approve. GOG Galaxy, Pytown. Before we look at the other one. What the hell is this? This is a demo created for the System 76 Super Fan Contest. When was that? Back in 2017? What? Do you guys know what this is? I've never even heard of that. I know the Linux Gamer does game jams sometimes, but I've never heard of the System 76 Super Fan Contest. Randy, you like my wallpaper? Thank you. Would you say that this is Vaporwave? Or would you say that this is more... What aesthetic is this? Shattered Pixel Dungeon. Another one by Mr. Allen. This is an unofficial snap not maintained or endorsed by the upstream developer. And it was last updated on November 1st, 2019. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's not that much Vaporwave. Reminds you of a Sunset Overdrive. Reminds you of Lo-Fi. Shattered Pixel Dungeon. You guys familiar with this one? Mr. Rescue, Duck Marines, ZZT. Is that the game I'm thinking it is? Let's just open a bunch of these. That way I can just tab through. There's all these KDE games. Wow. Wow, there are a lot of KDE games. What the hell? You want me to look at... I think looking at KDE games could be a stream on their own. Because there's so many of them. Oh, this looks really cool. Look at that. Whoops. That minimized both of my Firefox windows. There, see, it's open on other again. Why does it do that? Annoying. Hey man, thanks. Appreciate the love. Shattered Pixel Dungeon is awesome. It's good. You joined late, so you're 5 minutes behind. It's okay. I just kind of got started. This is another roguelike RPG, randomly generated dungeon. Huntress is defeat 20 enemies. Okay, I guess I have to do that one. Sure. I don't know anything about this game. You guys like it. Use rocks and throw rocks. Okay. Ooh. I kind of dig it already. Do you want to go into the chasm? No. The chasm. I like the controls. It like just feels good. Can you play this with a controller, I wonder? Damn it, you can't. No. It feels like you could, but I don't know how. You can play with the keypad, as long as the mouse isn't needed for anything. I'm just gonna try to play with the keypad. Oh shit. No, don't. So do I have a weapon equipped? Because your melee will rarely hit them. Is the window a fixed size? It seems to be. Oh. Why was it? What the hell? Why was it so small to begin with? Oh, that was a trap. How do I pick stuff up? Oh, you can zoom in and out? Oh, wow. This is really cool. You've got a sword right now, oh yeah? Like that, is that what I'm using, or do I have it? Like I need to equip it. Okay, it's equipped, okay. And then here are the rocks that you were talking about. Mystery meat, it's very roguelike. This is pretty cool. You guys tell me what this one's written in? Or is this an open source game? There's a hunger element too? Oh, this is cool. I like this a lot. Oh god. This isn't okay. Couldn't hit the damn thing. Oh, that was a trap. Whoops. Here's some food. Am I almost dead? What's my health at? Oh, I leveled. That's good. You're more accurate, healthy. Is food the same thing as your health? Legend of Keeper is a pretty neat roguelike, yeah? Sure. You inscribed your armor with the stylus. Throw rocks. Lick on. Okay. Well, I'll try it. Let me find somebody. Oh. Oh no. Oh, I just missed a door. Oh! Okay. Oh man, this is pretty good. You catch fire? Well. I hope that doesn't kill me. Might as well pick that up. Is that bomb good? Is the trident better than what I have? Massive throwing spears? Okay, that's good. I'm assuming that's a good find, huh? To put out fire, Walk on the water, okay. What is this? Do I blow that up or something? No, you don't. Oh, gold. Why can't I get it? Oh. Sometimes he picks stuff up and sometimes he doesn't. Wait, that's all that's down here? Probably typing too much. That's not too bad. Which doesn't kill you isn't trying hard enough. Well, this is a pretty good game. So will I just die if I do this? Okay, you'll just drop down a bunch of levels. What are you supposed to do here? Oh, there we go. Oh no, you don't have a matching key. What's this? Do you go down even further or something? Do you go inside of these? Or? I guess this is it, huh? Oh, the key's right there. Okay, this game is actually really freaking cool. I have to say. I gotta turn it off because I'm gonna keep playing it. That is a good one. That is a very, very good one. What was that? What was that again? And Teal, you said you knew that game too? Who else? Does everybody know about this game but me? Shattered Pixel Dungeon. That was fantastic. I like that a lot. This looks like fun. I'm hopeful for this one. I'm gonna have so many of these games installed by the end of this stream. I didn't consider that. That was a lot of fun. Mr. Rescue. I'll tell you what, the icon for it is terrible. Look at that. It just, like, why isn't there alpha? It just looks really bad. And it's just a big square down here. Come on. When it's blown up like this, it looks cool, but when it's an icon, it just looks terrible. Press start? For real? No, my controller does not work. That sucks. Already off to a disappointment. Okay. Joystick. No, my joystick is, my controller is plugged in. It's not working, so it's probably a snap thing. It sucks. Oh man, jeez. The what the fuck, dude? So, elementaryOS just crashed. Oh boy. I'm about to go off on a tangent. You guys want me to go off and start bitching, or should I hold off? Do you guys think I complain too much? Kai, you think I complain too much? I can just hold off on the complaints and move on. Well, let's just pretend like that didn't happen. Does everybody want me to just start bitching? Because I will. So, okay, here we go. Let's hear it. Yes, be quiet. Ever since I updated elementaryOS 2 days ago, the desktop has been crashing like that, like regularly. And you guys just saw it for yourself. It just crashed off on screen when I changed the full screen for that window. The desktop just completely crashed and that was it. So my opinion of elementaryOS has been dropping rapidly as these bad updates have been rolling out. So that's all. That's all I'm gonna say. People hey, look who's back. It's App Center with 0 updates. Please upload as is with the crashes and all. Yeah, I mean, the cool thing about YouTube is that like the OBS streaming thing and the YouTube streaming are, you can't see it. It's off the thing. I mean, I guess I could show you. There's nothing special going on. But the stream here and the stream here are separate. So if my computer crashes or whatever, this thing is still going. So I can just log back in and then hit the stream button and then pow, we're back in action. There'll just be a gap. But somebody watched the stream last time this happened and they said that the audio was out of sync. So let me know if the audio gets screwed up and I'll figure out how to fix it. But let's go back to that game. And hope it doesn't crash again. Oh god, it's full screen again. Oh, powered by love. I don't have to ask you guys what it's powered by. The aspect ratio is all screwed up. He looks like not good. It's not meant to be played at this size, that is for sure. What do I do? Oh no, there's no controls. This is like a Game Boy game. Oh shit. Wow, he's fast. Look at him go. I don't know how to spray. Powered by love. Okay, so it's not space, it's not enter, it's not shift. What button does it? I'm afraid I'm going to hit a button that's going to crash the computer again. I'm running out of buttons to press here. I don't know how I did that. How did I jump? Okay. What did I do? D? S? Okay. S is jump and D is spray. Okay, can I start over? SDA. Wow, that's really weird. Should I just leave him, you think? I'm just gonna leave him, it's fine. I'll get used to it. You like the lighting effect? Yeah, this is really cool. Wait, what do I do here? Oh! Coolant? Did I just fall off the building? Guys, this is really weird. I kind of like it though. This would be way better with a gamepad or something. It doesn't translate to keyboard very well. Oh no, I'm out of water. There's not enough water to do anything though. Oh, I filled back up? What? Does it do it automatically or something? Oh, it does. Okay, I didn't see that. The sound effects look mappy. Oh, did I die? Okay. I mean, this is cool. I like this a lot. It's not a good computer game, but it's a good game, if that makes sense. The controls are really weird. If I had a gamepad, it'd be better, but the resolution just isn't doing it any favors. And again, I'm stuck. I don't know how to get out of here. Oh, there we go. I mean, well, you get the idea. This is a good game. Uh-oh. Did it crash again? No. What the hell, dude? That was so bad. I can't believe that it did that on stream. I'm kind of glad that it did, because you guys got to see it. That way, if anybody's like, oh, nope, doesn't do that for me, well, it happened on stream, so I don't know what to tell you. So we're going to look at duck marines. And then the rest of these are KDE games, and I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do another stream for KDE stuff because there's so many. What the hell is this? Sonic Team's Choo Choo Rocket? Does anybody know what this or Choo Choo Rocket is? I have no idea what is going on here. Should I try it? I don't know. This looks kind of weird. What the hell? That was weird. Yeah, it is EZT. We're not going to do this one. Ooh, this looks like fun. What is this about? I like this. Splunky? Splunky's fun. Choo Choo Rocket is an old Dreamcast game. You just installed LXDE? Like LXDE, the GTK version, or the cute version? Look at this thing. Wow. And GOG Galaxy? Huh. Wow. There's a lot going on here. Okay. What did I do? Did I install it? Yeah. Duck Marines. We'll take a look at it, but I don't know if I'm gonna play it. I don't know what the hell this is. LXD was only what the hell do I do, guys? I mean what happened? What do I do? Wow, I don't even know. What is going on? Where my mouse is like moving itself. I don't really know. Oh, when you press the mouse button it like freezes? This is really weird. It's not bad. If you knew what was going on, I could see it being fun, but I don't know what the hell this is. Okay. Duck Rush? What the hell is going... I don't know. That took a weird turn. Look at all the ducks! What in the hell... I gotta get out of here. I can't even get the mouse off the screen. It's stuck in this window. Alt F4 to the rescue. That was overwhelming. Wasn't bad. It was just overwhelming. If Retoris, is that you? You said that it was a Dreamcast game. I mean, it looks like it could be fun, but I don't know enough about it. I don't know what's going on. It frightened me a little bit. It overwhelmed me. Now you guys are excited about Splunky. Is it really a open source game? Oh, it's an older game. Oh, there's the source code. It was built with Game Maker? Really? You have to lead the ducks to your manhole. Yours was pink. I got that, but the controls are so weird. You have to play it to try it. When you click the mouse cursor, the mouse freezes. It's just weird. You have to try it. It looks like it could be fun, but you kind of got to try it. So how does something like Game Maker compare to Godot? Because this looks kind of cool. And if you guys are saying Splunky's pretty good, then... Okay, we're starting off with it. Oh, wow, look at that background. We're off to a great start. Game Maker Studio is better at 2D than Godot, but it is proprietary garbage. Dill, you can't sleep, so I'll put you to sleep. I'll do my best. Hopefully the game audio isn't too loud. It's not distracting. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wow, is the audio too loud? Because it's kind of loud for me. I can turn it down on my end, but if it's fine for you guys, I'll just leave it. So, oh, okay, well there goes that. Do I get a gamepad? No. Oh. I'm assuming you can jump. There we go. There's your whip. There's a bomb. Okay. This already reminds me a lot of Crystal Caverns. Oops. It seems like there's a lot to this game, so I'm gonna most likely miss a whole bunch of stuff. But this is phenomenal. Okay, so if I did... No, not the bomb. Oh, I said not the bomb. Okay, and then I assume we climb. Now we can get over. Can I get that back, though? Or is it... What'd I drop, though? Is there a way to get the grappling hooks back? No! Don't blow it up! Drop it! Get rid of it! No! I don't want it! Oh! The controls are awful. You've got to use a gamepad or something. This is another one of those games that just doesn't translate to the keyboard. Oh my god, this is fantastic. This is really good. Oh, this is the scores area? Holy smokes. There's an updated version on Steam. How old is this one? The Snap version doesn't appear to support the gamepad anyway. Which is just, like, so stupid. I don't understand why it's so different. Like, you know, I think I went on a rant about the snaps and flat pack thing in a distro delve episode, but like, why, if you can't get basic stuff down like styling and gamepad support, why screw around and try to say, hey, we're gonna go all snaps, or hey, we're gonna go all flat packs? Like, there's these crippling bugs that you're forcing users to just deal with. I died again. Anyone tried Baba Is You? It's a good open source game on Steam. This is great. Your brother plays it on Steam with a keyboard. I mean, I guess you could get used to it. I'm having a hard time with it. This is fantastic. This was last updated in April, and there's a more recent one on Steam. Does the one on Steam cost money? Like, why would you get this one over the one on Steam? I guess if you just want to use built-in Ubuntu stuff, you could get it that way. XP was the best version of Windows. Oh boy, wait for the next Distro Delves episode. I'm really excited about it. Oh, it's 20 bucks? It's kind of steep for an indie game, isn't it? Yeah, that's almost 20 bucks, or 15, 16 something. I don't know. I guess if it's a fun game, it's a fun game. Now we're gonna take a look at Pin Town. Oh boy, we're in for a ride with this one. Power saver, okay. They really want you to get it on mobile, probably because there's ads. Which is, I mean, that's how they make money, I guess. It's 15 bucks? Eh. Simply press the screen to release the pal or gal. You can send up 3 at a time. Make points by hitting clouds, stars, and rainbows, and by picking up bonuses. Keep your ball in play. Oh, is this like Is this like what the hell is that game called? Peggle? Is this like Peggle kinda? You guys know what I'm talking about? Yeah, this is a lot like Peggle. It's like a really simplified Peggle. This is really weird. What the hell are we even doing here? You know, if you're joining this stream for the first time right now, and this is the game that you're seeing, I promise you that we're playing a lot more than just this. Maybe if I minimize this stuff in the background, you can see a little bit of like my wallpaper and make it a bit more watchable. I want to just beat this to see what the next level is like. This is like a really simplified Peggle. My voice is soothing in a non-weird way. No, I appreciate that. I get it. I totally get it. Sometimes there's a guy I've been listening to. He's called Pinkus. He's he does videos on like vaporwave, outrun, and just like aesthetic stuff. He's from Norway and he's got an incredible voice. Really enjoy listening. Just like the way he pronounces stuff is just really it's like fun to listen to. So I totally get it. I didn't start out well, so there's these like guys over here that I don't think I'm gonna be able to get. Well, now that I know how to play, can I restart? This is like a poor man's Peggle. I kind of dig it. Most popular game in the Snap Store? I think that we can just check, can't we? If we go to the top here? Or if somebody's running Ubuntu, I think you could just look there too. I don't know if this is an ordered list. It could be DOSBox. Actually, I wouldn't be surprised if it was DOSBox. Whoops. Alright, let's see if we can beat this. This is a lot harder than it looks. So in Peggle, there's like different characters. Has anybody here played Peggle? Any of the Peggle series of games? There's different characters that you can be that have these different abilities that make it easier. And there's also a little tray that's like moving around on the bottom, and you can get free spins or balls or whatever you want to call them. This is like that, but basically without any of the stuff that makes Peggle special. That's what I'm saying, it's like a poor man's version. I could see kids liking this. Play more games? Oh, you can drop multiple at a time. You can't do that in Peggle. Okay, I'm gonna spin it one more time because that might kind of be the key. I think that you have to drop multiple at a time because this is the first level and I'm having a really hard time with it. You have 3 going at a time, it looks like. Wow. This is really hard. Yeah, alright. What are these other games? Back to the map. I can't do it. Pin shop? What's that? Oh, here you go. This is your pay money and get stuff. Huh. I wonder what made them put this on the Snap Store. Wow, there's a lot of content. Look at this. Wow! That's kind of impressive. Okay. Yeah, it's cool. Failsafe games. Proprietary license. What's going on the developer's website? Pintown? Also, nothing about that was in. Why are you playing a mobile game port? Nothing about it was impressive. I don't know. I thought it was okay. Look, play anywhere. Truly, you can play this anywhere. Even on Linux, on Ubuntu Store. It was made with OpenFL. Not a bad framework. Though if I was going to use something with Haxi, it would probably be Haxi Flixel. I don't really want to learn yet another language, though. It's like pre-TypeScript. Is there a baseball game? Maybe. Alright, GOG Galaxy. I don't... No, I have a GOG account. I don't really want to sign into it, though. Let's just see if this works. GOG Galaxy Wine. It's different. Haxi is not that bad. No, I don't think it's bad. I just don't want to learn it. I especially don't want to learn a language that I would use for literally one thing. Epic Pinball. Asmut. Industrial Craft. Rigs of Rods? Ooh, that's kind of exciting. Are you serious? How does this work? Huh. Well, you guys want to play some Epic Pinball? Wow, the GOG Wine snap is really freaking big. Wow, look at that. It's setting up a wine prefix. Huh. That's kind of interesting. I guess while that's going, we could do Epic Pinball. Is this going to stay on top? I wonder. Tossbox staging? Oh no, please Elementary, don't crash. Wow, this is legit Epic Pinball, straight from the Snap Store. That's kind of impressive. It's the shareware version, but still. Huh! Wow. Fun fact, I have used the music from this game right here in a video. I don't remember which video, but I remember doing it. You love pinball, Mitchell? Does anybody remember XP Vista Pinball? Oh yes, the Space Cadet one? How could you not? It's like unforgettable. Oh, come on, really? Wow, getting all the bonuses. Space Cadet on Windows 95. Gotta get those bonuses. One thing I don't like is how the camera moves. I think that was just a limitation with DOS. Maybe it was a style design choice, but I don't like it at all. Screw this game. I've had enough. Are you serious? Okay. That was weird. All of my windows had like a black outline around it. That was concerning. So it doesn't look like the GOG thing ever launched. Yeah, it doesn't look like the GOG thing works at all. What kind of errors? Lots. Oh, is it stuck in a loop? No, it just died. So what is wrong here? Uh, it's like a whole bunch of. Oh, it looks like there's when was this? When was that like released? The GOG thing. I bet it just hasn't been updated, and GOG had an update and it broke it. That's what it looks like to me. No, it was updated recently. Because the error in the log is a wget issue, which I don't know why they're just calling raw bash. Seems weird. I don't know what it's written in. But either way, the thing's all messed up and it doesn't work. Might as well uninstall it. I gotta uninstall everything eventually anyway, so I'll do it then. The black outline is the death of Panthy. Yeah, it is. I'm really worried it's gonna crash again. If it crashes again, I'm just gonna end the stream and people can watch the stream archive and see that it just my desktop just died. Oh damn it! I closed the wrong window. There. Oh, what is this? Uh, it's a Metroidvania game. Yeah, I mean, you guys want me to look at this? This doesn't look very interesting. Like the graphics aren't interesting. This, like, I don't know what this is. If you guys want me to try it, I will, but this doesn't look cool. Industrial craft. What is this? There's no information. Oh, it's a Minecraft server? Oh, we won't be doing that. We will definitely be doing Rigs of Rod, though. Rigs of Rods. Are you guys familiar with this game? It's a Minecraft mod. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. It's probably going to take a pretty long time to install, though. Kyle, it looks dope. Yeah, it is. If it's the game I'm thinking of, it is dope. Wow, look at this one. Oh! I remember the developer posted this in our Linux Gaming. I remember seeing this. It's basically like the Oregon Trail. Yeah, this looks really cool. Let's give it a try. We won't play it for long because it's like a adventure game sort of dealio. What? There is no possible way it installed that fast. Yeah, something's messed up. I'm gonna deal with. Let's get this going. Wow, here it is. How did it install so fast? That's nuts. This is a like pretty substantial game. Uh, what the hell? What do I do? There's no like. Do I just relaunch it? Maybe I relaunch it. Let's do that. The mouse is having issues. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. Now the mouse is like not functional. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, no. I can't like, oh man, yeah, it's all messed up. You can't see it, but um the mouse is like really, really screwed up. Damn it. Hold on. Let's do this. Oh, look, elementary OS. I don't know if that was an elementary OS issue. Rigs of Rods is not a Linux game. So I think it's just like a bad port and it doesn't know what to do with oops. Why are you asking me for authentication so much? Like every time I turn around, it's like, hey, try iSoccer. Hey, Lewis. Let's get the game started. It goes by temperature. We're gonna skip the introduction. We're in Canada. Let's just hit the road, see what's out there. We're hitting the road hard. Nobody's eating. How were snaps maintained? Probably the same way flat packs are, like FlatHub. Your party has no water for 2 days. What is going on? I'm not doing anything. Okay, Kate just died. Things are already looking bleak. I'm not even touching anything and it's like, Kate's dead. I didn't even do anything. We're on day 5. Game speed? Where's that? Auto forward time? Is that what's going on? How fast till you die of dysentery? Well, Kate's already dead. I'm almost dead. We're all almost dead. Okay, Al's dead. I'm not even doing anything. It's just going. He kept me safe. Hey. It's like I'm just like watching something. I have no control over what's going on. We're out of food, we're out of water, everybody's dead. Your entire party is dead. I mean, it's an interesting concept. At the end of the day, it's like Oregon Trail or any of the, the offshoots. It's fine. The the auto time thing is a little weird. I blinked and my whole party was dead. So let's try Rigs of Rods again. Oh right, it's not showing up in the thing. How'd you let him die? I don't know. I took my hands off the wheel and next thing I knew he was dead. Unfortunately, Rigs of Rods is on the wrong monitor and I can't move it there. So I don't know if I don't really want to screw with the window again. So let's just minimize everything. Okay. Turn on full screen? I don't know. Have you been having any problems with Snap yet? I mean, it's hard to say whether it's Snap or not. There's some weird stuff going on. I can't believe that this game installed so fast. Oh, there's hardly anything. So the last time I played this game, it was on Manjaro, so it was from the AUR. Is that just like the trailer? Oh, okay. So you could think of this game as like a really poor man's Gary's mod. Inner wheel differentials. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now we're talking. We're driving a bus. I don't know what else there is to say. We're driving a bus on Linux. How about that? I guess 5 years ago this would have been cool. Now it's just kind of like, why? Alright, have we seen enough of this game? I don't really know what to say. You can add vehicles and stuff. I know, when I played this on Manjaro, it had tons and tons and tons. Is this a Venezuela simulator? It looks like a poor man's Beaming or Eurobus. Actually, this is a poor man's desert bus. Let's just go. You know what? Let's just drive off the edge of the world. Screw this. Oh, okay. Or we'll just... There you go. The world is flat. It's just a big ass square, and then you just keep going and going. Yeah, I think you guys are right. This is a Venezuela simulator. Why does he keep shifting? There's no friction or like what? I'm literally just floating. Alright, I've had enough. When I played this on Manjaro, it had tons and tons of vehicles. This has like 2. Crash into the trailer? Too late. See, I want this. Why can't I have this? Instead I got a bus. Or this, I'll accept this too. This makes the game look cool. Or how about this? Here's a train and a freaking helicopter, and all I got was a bus. That's probably a mod. Well, look, here's a guy. Oh, that was Project Cars. Oh, this is a YouTube video. Okay, I've had enough of this. Blame Snap. I don't think Snap has anything to do with it. Snap has been fine, really. Hasn't really caused any problems. What is this? Ogre Simple Browser. That's interesting. OBS Studio, Bomb Squad, The Eternal Land MMO. How long have we been at this? Holy shit, we've been streaming for an hour. I'm like on page 2. I need to go through games faster. Open source OSRS client. Should I know what this is? I don't know. Only people on Ubuntu and Manjaro. Mostly people from Brazil and Australia and the UK. And what is this? Estonia have played it. Should I be concerned? I don't know. Oh, let's just go to the developer website. Or not. Ogre is a scene. I know what Ogre is, but I mean, is this a game or what is it? A demo showing a third-person character. I mean, sure. Ogre is a really interesting engine, but yeah, it's written in C++, and I think that it pretty much only uses C++. Brazil is a surprising hub of free and open source software. Is it really? It's kind of interesting. I know that there's a huge community of Portuguese speakers on YouTube, the bunch of channels that are just Portuguese. So I believe that. I buy it. Oh, here we go. Well, this is interesting. You reinstalled Deepin Screen Recorder? I think I missed out on a conversation. Might as well do that too. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. Oh, it's a dice roller for your RPG group. Open Reservoir Simulation Research Tool? Huh. Wow. I've got too much stuff in here. What did I install again? Ogre? How do I run it? Okay. So you can't find Ogre, huh? It's right there, but you can't find it? Okay. Powder toy? I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I mean, this looks cool, but it also looks a little too deep. There's also simple screen recorder. That's what I started with. That's what I used. That's what I recorded all my older videos in. It was a piece of crap back then. It was really difficult to use, but I mean, it worked. Whoa. What is this? Oh my god, it looks like worms. Actually, it's like a bunch of different stuff. Ooh, this looks like fun. Powder toy is fun but complicated. Yeah, it looks too deep for this stream. This is an unofficial snap. Thanks, Alan. Built from public builds. Open SRS is an open school RuneScape. That it kind of looked that way. I never got into RuneScape. I know people who did though. Wow, it's a chunky boy. Oh my goodness. There is a lot here. I think I bit off more than I could chew. It's on the next page. Oh my god. Dude, there's too much. There's too many games here. I mean, to be fair, a lot of them are pretty low quality, like No Mines. Okay, that's Solitaire or Solitaire. Maybe that's okay. But I mean, no Mahjong, Live for Speed. It's just a lot here. What? Oh, this is Mario and Portal. I bet you the freaking gamepad doesn't work for this. Whoa. Connected controller. 2 controllers? Oh, it considers my mouse a controller. What the hell even is this? Teal, you've seen Bomb Squad? Alan, is League of Legends and Snap Snore? Definitely not. Snap Snore? Man, I'm having a hard time. Entering tournament? Select a player. Oh, look at these controls! JIOK? Why? Wait. Oh, this is an online game? Like, I thought that it said I was playing against the computer. What is going on here? No, 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 no. We don't have time to sit through and wait for an online game. I could have. Didn't it? Didn't I say I played against single player co-op? Yeah, I don't. What do you want from me? Linux? How do I get into a game? What, Teal, what am I doing wrong? Hey, Lamer. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Is it loading? If it is, I can't tell. If someone picks you up, punch them and they'll let go. This works in real life too. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. What do I do? Arthur? What the hell is happening here? Teal? What do I do? Alright, I've had enough. I don't know what the hell's going on. It looks cool, but it's another one of those games where the controls are just a mess. Press punch to join. I was trying, and I wound up joining like a bunch of other stuff. This looks interesting. Blizzard would never package. Nobody would have like Valve isn't packaging snaps. Blizzard doesn't have anything to do with Linux, so why would they even consider Snap? I mean, I don't think they're unhappy that BattleNet and other games run on Linux, but at the same time, I don't think they care. Yeah, I think I don't know. It was weird. Stabbingyourself.net. Well, so we're off to a good start. Oh boy. Okay. So, I'm kind of amazed that this just worked. Yeah, this is definitely Mario. This is weird. Reverse engineered? I don't know, to be honest with you. Like, this can't possibly be legal. Right? Guys, what the hell is this? Okay. This is made with love? That's actually really impressive. Okay. I've had enough. It's cool. That's about all I'm gonna say about that. Free Orient, I know what it is. What is this? BZ flag? Uh, could it be considered original? I don't know because the textures are clearly from Mario. What the hell is this? Really? This is the YouTube video that they put in? Oh my goodness. What is this? Is this a game engine? This looks like I think this is like a game. Yeah, there it is. It says a game engine right here. And this is the YouTube video. This is bizarre. Explode bricks. It's like Breakout. Wow. Um, there's a lot here. And you know what's really annoying about this though is that there's so much crap just sprinkled in that it's really hard to figure out what is a game and what's not and what's worth looking at and what's not. Like what is this? I don't like it's just a controller. It's a work in progress libretro front end. I mean, that's cool. Yeah, this is cool. Sure. That's I dig it. Trench broom? Man. No, it is trench broom. I thought it was trench boom. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's a level editor. I think that this would be 100 times easier if I was using the Ubuntu Software Center. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the stream. This is a good place to end it because there is like way more than I was expecting. And I've been thinking about this for a little while, and I talked about this in the last stream this week. I'm going to get the Distro Delves PC set up with Streamlabs. No, not Streamlabs. OBS. Basically, I'm going to set it up for streaming. So I need to move all of my OBS filters over to that computer and stuff, or just basically make it so it is portable in a way that I can, like easily set it up on a new distro. Because this would be way more fun to stream on a system that isn't my workstation. Because now look, I've got all these games that like I have to uninstall, and it's gonna be this was not a great idea. This was not one of my better ideas. So we're gonna revisit this concept in the future on a Ubuntu based distro that is plugged into the Snap Store, so I'm not having to like go from the browser to a terminal and also fight with Elementary's window manager and have it crash on me and all this other crap. So we're going to end the stream here. This is another hour and a half stream. The streams are getting longer, which is cool, and you guys seem to like it. We're up to like 35 viewers or something. So that's really great. This was a lot of fun, and we'll do another stream next week. Um, and I hope to get a Distro Delves episode out tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, that's it. That's where we're going to leave it. So thanks for sticking around, folks. As with all of my streams lately, we had some technical difficulty with the desktop crashing, but maybe that'll just become a thing that happens sometimes. But that's it. Have a good day, good morning, good evening, whatever. And thanks for sticking around, folks. It's fun. We'll talk to you later.